Hello students, I am back for one more video and it is on writing. Students, greetings from Saraswati Sishukunj Jorgwala Bhushan, and this is video number 7 on writing. If we consider the total number of video, then it is video number 25. Students, this is applied English. You can go through my previous video and it is clearly mentioned about essay. I have taken one of the essays in the previous video. And it is, I would like to see the essay. Today, many children spend a lot of time playing computer games and less time on sports. Why is it? Is it a positive development or a negative development? Students, in the previous video, I have explained to you how to write an introduction. You can go through it and read the introduction. Now, here I have written body paragraph 1. Whether it is a positive development or negative development. Okay. As you know that what we need to mention in body paragraph 1. In body paragraph 1 you need to mention body point number 1, point number 2, then explanation of point number 1, explanation of point number 2. You need to mention two linkers. So now we are going to read out this and I will explain to you how it has to be written. Okay. To begin with, it is a linker. Okay, there should be 2 points. There are various reasons why children love to play instead of doing physical workout. Okay, the principal reason is video games are very easy and quick way to pass time. So this is the point number 1 that I have written, students. Which one? Video games are easy and quick way to pass time. While physical exercise require hard work, energy, harsh efforts. Okay, so it is a positive or negative development. You can say that it is a kind of positive development. While physical exercise require hard work and energy, harsh efforts. In today's era, parents have hectic schedule. What does it mean by hectic schedule? Hectic schedule means a lot of activity, full of activity. Parents do not get time in the present era. So they do not find time to supervise or guide their children, because nowadays parents do not have enough time to supervise or guide their children to play any sports. So they are unable to teach their children regarding importance of physical exercise. Now I have written the first point, that is video games are very easy and quick to pass the time. Second, what I have written, that parents do not have enough time. Parents do not have enough time. That means they have a hectic schedule, so they do not have enough time to supervise or guide their children. So this is point number 2, students, I have written. So they are unable to teach their children regarding importance of physical exercises and benefits of participation in sports. Now, when parents do not have enough time to look after their children, how they can insist them to play any sports? So now, this is in the present era, children divert and they play lot of computer games. Regarding importance of physical exercise and benefits of participation in sports. Why? Because they do not find lot of time and they get lot of time for playing computer games. These are the primary reasons. Okay, these are the 2 primary reasons why children play lot of computer games. These are the primary reasons for avoiding physical exercises among children. So which are the 2 primary reasons for not playing sports? So this is video games are very easy and quick way to pass time in the present era. And the second one, parents have hectic schedule. So when parents have hectic schedule, they do not get enough time to look after their children. And what the children like to play computer games or mobile games, sitting at a particular place. So these are the 2 points I have explained, students, in body paragraph 1. It is a positive development or it is a negative development. So you can say that it is a completely negative development. Why? Because they do not get enough time. This is, to begin, it is what? It is a linker. Also that you can write the second linker also. I have written, students, see, so they, and here also I have written so they. Now, as I mentioned before, that you don't have to repeat the words. If it is repeated, but that should not be too closely. If you have written so here, and at the end of body paragraph 1, if you write, then it is correct. Okay. But now I need to change here, and I can write here hence. Okay. Let me change. I should not repeat the word. Hence. Hence. They. Okay, students. See. Instead of so they do not find time to supervise or guide their children. Hence, so in place of so I can use hence. Hence they are unable to teach their children regarding the importance of physical exercise. Now students, you do not have to repeat the words and you need to write synonyms in body paragraph 1. So there are two reasons that I have explained in body paragraph 1 and there should be two linkers. Now we are going to focus on body paragraph 2, that I am going to write 2 points and I am going to explain to you as well. Now students, we are going to discuss body paragraph 1. We have already discussed body paragraph 1. There I explained 2 points and 2 linkers. Now here I have used 2 linkers, that is on the one hand. Okay, this is the linker. You know the linker means to connect, to begin your sentence with linkers or to join 2 sentences, that is called linker. On the one hand, that is linker, I have written 2 points. Let me underline the 2 points. Okay, it is full of wastage of time. So this is my point number 1. Okay, it is full wastage of time. Okay, this is point number 1. To illustrate, a recent study can make doing less physical activities can make children physically and mentally ill. So this is body paragraph 1 and point number 2. So let me write down here P2. P2 means point number 2, and this is, it is full wastage of time. This is P1. Okay, so there should be 2 points, explanation of point number 1 and explanation of point number 2. There should be 2 linker. On the one hand, that is one linker, and the second one to illustrate. This is linker. To illustrate means to explain further. Okay, now I am going to read body paragraph 2. On the one hand, it is taken as a negative development. Now it is completely a negative development. As the time utilized means to use. As the time utilized to play gadgets can be used for other productive activities. As the time utilized to play gadgets can be used for other productive activities. That means, this is all wastage of time. It is full wastage of time. It is full wastage of time means what? To play computer games, it is full of wastage of time and can cause a severe problem restricted with eyesight. Eyesight problem. If you play continuously video game, what happens? You can damage your eyes. Okay, and obesity. Now see, severe problems restricted with eyesight. Obesity and hearing system. What happens? Obesity and hearing system. Obesity means what? When you play computer games or video games, you need to sit at a particular place and you need to play. So what happens? Obesity, that means, and hearing system. Obesity, that means you will increase weight on your body. To illustrate means to explain. A recent study has proven that 70% of children have eyesight related problems. That means those children who are playing computer games, they have eyesight problem. And how much it is? 70%. Due to playing computer games, doing less physical activities can make children physically and mentally ill. If you do not play sports, what happens? You are unfit, physically and mentally. Can impair means damage, destroy. can impair neurological system and affect immune system too. What happens if you do not play sports? Your neurological system affects, and what happens? Immune system also goes down. That means if you do not play sports, what happens? Your immune system is not strong. It's become weakened and weakened. Thus, playing video games cannot give any fruitful result. That means if you continuously play video games in an excessive manner, what happens? It cannot help you and it does not give any result or any lessons. While physical workout can make body healthy and improve your blood circulation. So when you play sports regularly on regular basis, what happens? Your neurological system increases, your immune system increases, and the blood circulation also improves. So this is the point number 2. I have explained children playing physically and mentally ill. If you do not play sport, what happens? Physically and mentally you are ill. So body paragraph 1 I have explained 2 points. This is body paragraph 2. I have written point number 1 here and point number 2 that I have explained to you. Students, I have used the word which you may not understand. That's why I have used neurological system. Means what? Neurological system means your body does not function properly. That is called neurological system. Productive activities, that means a productive activity is something that you do and you get something result or outcome, that is called productive activities. So when you play computer games or video games, what happens? It is a full waste of time. Okay, so these are the 2 points I have explained, students. One more body paragraph 3 that I am going to explain and conclusion. I hope students you have understood this body paragraph 2. Now children, this is the 3rd body paragraph, and some believe that sports is not important. Now I have written 2 points here, explanation of 2 points and 2 linkers that I have used. First of all, this is on the other hand. This is the linker that we can call on the other hand. I have written 2 body paragraphs, body paragraph 1, 2, and this is the 3rd. This is the linker. Now I am talking about point number 1 and point number 2. It requires competitive skill. Okay, it requires competitive skill, confidence, IQ level of offspring. Okay, that means it is a positive outcome. It requires competitive skill, confidence, and IQ level of offspring. That means there are a lot of parents or there are a lot of people who believe that sport is not important at all and computer games are very important. Why? Because it requires competitive skill, confidence, and IQ level of offspring. Offspring means what? Student, offspring means children. It is a synonym word. And the second that is why it is better that they offspring take part in sports as they are not profiting. Okay. So this is the point number 2. They are not profiting means sport is not going to help. It is useless. Okay. They are not profiting for them. That means computer games and video games are really important, but sport is not important. So I have written this. Let me read and I will explain to you. On the other hand, that means you have written the first, okay, and the second, the other side, or you can say on the other hand. Some people believe that it has positive outcomes. Positive outcomes means playing computer games or video game has positive outcomes, as it requires competitive skills, confidence, IQ level of offspring. That means when you play computer games, what happens? It requires competitive skills, confidence to require, and IQ level of offspring. Most of the people do not consider sport as a vital part of their life, of children's life. There are a lot of belief that sport is not important, and especially for children. Parents think that children should not indulge in drugs. What does it mean by indulge? Okay, that means those who are playing sports, they may indulge means to enjoy, okay, to get enjoyment. Children should not indulge in drugs, enjoyment in doing negative activity. Okay, so parents think that children should not indulge in drugs. So it is better they consume their most of time in playing video games. Okay, there are many parents think that okay, children should not play any kind of sport. Why? Because they play sports. What happens? They may indulge taking drugs, and it can have a adverse effect. Okay. So now video games. While some parents do not wish that their offspring take part in sports as they are not profiting, that means sports is not going to help them. Okay. Now let me read from here. Parents think that children should not indulge in drugs, so it is better that they consume their most of time in playing video games. Parents say that okay, they should play only video games. While some parents do not wish their children, that their offspring, children means offspring, okay, take part in sports as they are not profiting for them. Profiting means not useful, okay. It does not have any outcome. As a result, they left with only one option. They have only one option. Children have only one option, which is computer games. They do not play video games, but there is only one option, and it is computer games. There are some of the benefits of computer games. So they say that there are a lot of benefits of playing computer games or video games. So students, I have written 2 points. One is the IQ level, okay, competitive skill requires, and IQ level increases when they play video games. And the second one, it is useless. Profit means no use. Okay, so 2 points I have written. This is body paragraph 3. I hope students you have understood these 2 points of body paragraph 3. So I write here body paragraph 3. Okay, I have explained body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and this is body paragraph 3. Now, it is a conclusion that I have written, and along with the conclusion, I have written vocabulary as well that I am going to explain to you. Students, always keep in mind for any essay you need to write the word in conclusion. Do not write any other. There are so many words that you can come across, but you need to write only one word, that is in conclusion. In conclusion, sports are rudimentary. Now rudimentary means what? Rudimentary means basic, fundamental. Sports are rudimentary part of children's life. Okay, it is a basic requirement of children's life. They build cooperation, moral values, and teamwork. Means when you play sport, what happens? There is a cooperation, moral values, and teamwork. Okay, these are the 3 things you get when you play sports. Among children, okay, when children play sport, what happens? They can have cooperation, moral values, and teamwork among children. So these should be compulsory in offspring life for their proper growth and development. That means yes, sport plays a vital role for growth, proper growth among children's life or growth and development. Video games can be played but not to large extent. Okay, so we have given a lot of importance on sport and a bit less one, that is on computer games. Okay, video games can be played but not to a large extent. So it should not be played in an excessive manner, large extent, as it has more negative ramification. Ramification means what? Ramification means outcome. That means when you play video games, what happens? It does not give a lot of outcomes. But when you play sport, what happens? You get a lot of cooperation, moral values, and teamwork. These are the values that you get when you play sports. So we have focused more on sports rather than video games. Now students, I am explaining this vocabs. Offspring, yes, offspring means children. Pursuit means activity. Hectic means busy. Impair means weaken or damage eyesight. Okay, it impairs eyesight. Rudimentary means basic, and ramification means outcome. So these are the words that I have used in the essay. I hope students you have understood the whole essay. Introduction that I have mentioned, that I have a special video for that, and the second one is body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and body paragraph 3. and along with 3 body paragraphs, I have explained conclusion. Students, you can write the same essay if you wish, or if you want to take the another essay and just you can write and let me know that how you have written all three: introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2 and conclusion. If it requires 3 body paragraph, you can write 3 body paragraphs. Students, I hope again that you have understood the whole essay and just you can try.